All right, you guys, today we are looking at the inverse. Inverse is all about finding the angle. This is so very slightly different than what we did before, and it's actually easier, okay? So the first thing we do is, just like we're finding a length, you should not be talking for any reason right now. If you're in danger or suffering something severely, you should mention it. Otherwise, shush. Okay, here's my angle. This is my adjacent, this is my hypotenuse. So what do I use with adjacent and hypotenuse? Who remembers? Cosine, yep. So cosine of this angle, x, is adjacent 4 over opposite 5. So we put cosine negative 1/4 in our calculator. Let's do that right now. Pull up your calculator. I'm going to clear this off so it's a little easier to see. So I'm literally going to hit trig, cosine of negative 1, 4 divided by 5, enter. That's my angle right there, 36.8. That's the whole thing, 36.9, because let's round up. So x equals 36.9 degrees. Should we do one more? It's real simple. If you can figure out what it is, just for angles, use the negative 1. That's it. There's no like dividing or multiplying or anything like that. Okay, so right here, where's my angle? Right here at the top, correct? What's 10 to my angle? Opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? What's 5? What trig function do I use? Opposite and adjacent is? Try again. You'll have this on your quiz, just so you know. Which one is it? Tan. So we go tan, negative 1. Opposite goes on top because that's first. 5. Adjacent goes on the bottom. That's 10. I go to my calculator. Am I going too fast? Or are you okay? I'm going to my calculator. I hit trig. Inverse tan. 5 divided by 10. Push enter. I get 26.6 degrees. You're done. Don't you think that's way easier than all the stuff we've been doing so far? Okay. So look on the back of this. Is there one more of these that you want to try? And then these will just be notes, and they will not be due, and the other one is homework for tonight. The one that says HW on it. Any of these 3 through 8 that you want me to do? Because then I'm going to pick one. Okay, let's do 5 real quick. What's the first thing I do? I like to circle my angle. What's the first thing I do now? Label them. What's 2? Opposite. What's 8? Hypotenuse. And if we have SOHCAHTOA, it's sine. So we do inverse sine, that negative 1. Opposite over hypotenuse. We stick that in our calculator. Trig button. Go down to inverse sine. Hit 2 divided by 8. And we should get 14.5 degrees. Done. Questions, comments, concerns? Okay. Are you using any of the negative ones for your quiz today? Okay.